What's up, guys? Welcome back to Process for Profits, all service business, all success service business simplified. Today I want to talk to you about how you can bridge your foundation business of construction cleaning and parlay that into monthly cash flow and residual income, because a new building you can only clean once. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to contract to clean the leasing office at least bi-monthly. That's 2 times a month. Also, while you're at it, since you're the first one in, you're going to contract to do their move in and move out clean monthly. People are moving in and moving out of these establishments. Also, I see those type of people offer resurfacing. That's a consulting key I just gave you guys. Resurfacing the toilets. And lastly, you're going to offer valet trash service. I paid upwards of $35 from A to C class properties. And your D class properties and neighborhoods, you're going to offer compactor junk haul clean outs for when those compactors break down and they got trash just littered all over the trash area. You're going to come in and you're going to clean those. Sometimes they make $3,200. So yeah, that's all I got. Process for Profits. I'm Purry. Peace.